Hello there, peoples of the internets, once again to another mini-log of Ludum. So I've made quite a bit of progress. If you guys saw on the Facebook page, some of this was done yesterday night at like midnight, and some of it was done today. So interesting stuff going on right here. So what have we got? You'll notice this strange thing. So these are the portals, the interdimensional portals that you will find on each level. I have two right here, but there would only be one on each level, and you'd be basically walking around, la da 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 da. Oh, what's this thing? Run through it, and bam. Now I have some level changing mechanics working, but for whatever reason they're not working with the portals when there are other mobs in the thing, in the level. So I don't know what that is about. I'll demonstrate what I mean later. Also, these colorful things. What in the world are these? Well, I call them Boingos. Don't know why. Just the word that came to mind when I was making it. And basically what these things are the first of many, many mobs that I plan to add to the game. And they're all sort of colorful and weird and wacky like this, and that's what I want to be. This game is supposed to just mess with your mind. It's supposed to be like, whoa, wait, what was that I just saw come across the screen? That thing? What in the world is that? Because each world that you go to is a very strange world. And yeah. So how are these guys? You'll notice that they're all different colors. So you must be wondering, like, wow, did he really make that many pieces of art for him? Like every single one was a different color? It's like insane. Well, the answer to that is absolutely not. I did something that I'm very proud of, and I'll show this off right here. Oh, that's just level stuff. Okay, so right here I have the Boingo art, and you'll notice that it's all black and white. And each color basically is then broken up in the engine, and I feed it certain color palettes, and it says like, okay, so for all of the black parts of this image, replace the black parts with say this color of orange, or replace the feet with this color of blue, or whatever. And that's based off of color palettes that I have, not here, where is it? Here. These. I'm using the same ones as I used for the tiles just for now, just temporary ones. But yeah, so it goes through and it randomly chooses one of these. So like this green would be, say, for the eyes. I don't know what I actually set it to. But so it'll go through this and be like, for this specific Boingo, its eyes will be this shade of green. Then its feet will be this shade of blue, and its body will be this shade of red. And it goes through and makes that happen. Or then it can randomly select. So basically you can see how many combinations. That's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 260 something combinations. Math. Awesome. 64? 264. 8 by 8 by 8, yeah. Combinations of color schemes. So obviously I wouldn't make all the animations for that and everything, but it comes out looking kind of cool and weird and disturbing. So yeah, that's one thing. I'll plan to add flowers and like flora and fauna and all kinds of crazy stuff all over the place in the game, and yeah. Also, the boxes are just temporary to show off collision, and the collision is being registered. I've set it to not actually stop the player when he registers like hitting the portal, but I could set that to be true. Now, one last thing I wanted to show off is when there are no Boingos and when the thing is working. And yes, this is a bug that the Boingos break the level changing, but the level changing is sort of broken anyway. Anyway, so this is without any Boingos, and I go through and bam, this is the second level. Now obviously this is just a mess of a level I just quickly threw together, but yeah, the level changing works to a degree. So for whatever reason, it doesn't work on this level. No idea why. Here I'm like colliding with it and nothing's happening. The level isn't changing. It's supposed to send me back to the thing. But yeah. Oh, by the way, also this swirl in the thing. So basically the portal itself is just a bunch of random random noise. Then the swirl is actually a drawn up, like I didn't draw up this rectangle of a portal, but I did draw up the swirl here. Let's see. Yeah, right here. So you can see it swirling over like that. And it's all black. And it works in a similar way that the Boingo coloration works. It is then said that if this image, replace all the black parts of this image with a random color. And it changes every update. So yeah, that's what I have so far. Oh, also, obviously, I made the player sprite as well. And what I'm going for this game is I want it to be all colorful and crazy, but I don't want it to be too, I don't know, like, I don't know what the right word for it is. Just, I want it to be simplistic art. So only a couple colors per image, nothing crazy, like, very simple looking stuff that could have existed, you know, back in the 80s or 90s. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going for. I've still got a lot to go, and I don't even know if I'll be able to add music in at this point because it's looking like it's pretty far away, or pretty close. I mean, the deadline seems pretty close. But yeah, I'll obviously stay tuned to the Facebook and the YouTube, and you'll see what happens. Even if it were to end right now, though, I will say that even if the Ludum Dare were to end right this moment, I've already learned a ton of new stuff, and it's already been made worth it, the investment of time into this thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now, and goodbye.